Hi, I'm Beth, and I'm guessing you're watching this video because you're thinking about getting a personal trainer. Perhaps you're not feeling very motivated at the moment, or perhaps you've had a long spout of being unfit and getting into bad habits with not exercising and eating the wrong things. There are thousands of free videos on YouTube. There are many ways you can exercise for free. Just step out your door and go for a walk or go for a run. However, the reason you probably haven't done that is because you are not feeling the motivation to do it, and you need a cheerleader behind you, and that can be your personal trainer. I think we sometimes think we can rely on our friends or our partners or family to motivate us and help us out, but that is not their primary goal. It's your primary goal. So they're not going to be doing the best job, and also they're not going to have the qualifications, the insight, the knowledge to help you reach the goals that you particularly want. The reason I do a 12-week program is because if you just decide to exercise for 3 weeks or 4 weeks before a holiday, you're not really going to see a huge amount of difference. You'll see a little, but perhaps not the kind of goals that you have in mind. And also, I am truly against fad diets and starving yourself to reach your goals. They are all temporary, they only work for a short time, and often what happens, and I hear it so many times from clients and other people through my life, is that you do this diet and then you pile all the weight back on. It happens over and over again. I would much rather you made changes in your activity that are healthier and that you can carry on doing for the rest of your life. It's about permanent change for me, not temporary change, and it's about having a healthier lifestyle, and fad diets just aren't a part of a healthy lifestyle. So in the program, you'll do a benchmark test at the very beginning so I can see what level of fitness you're at, and then from that I will create 3 workout videos a week for you to follow. And in the app that we use, there's a 2-way messaging service, so I will message you and I will schedule your exercises and your workouts in your calendar, and I will know when you've done your workouts, and I'll check to see how they were. You can give me some feedback as well. Every 2 weeks we have a personal trainer session, whether that's online or in person if you live locally and in the Cotswolds, and you can come to my studio if you do. If you don't, then it's absolutely fine. We carry on doing the online one-to-one workouts, and I can see from the video your form, etc., and give you a bit of motivation, and you're far less likely to cancel a personal training session than you are if you've got your session in a gym just booked. You're just going to go to the gym and have a bit of a workout there. If you're tired at the end of the day, are you more likely to cancel going to the gym or cancel a session with your personal trainer? I think you're definitely more likely to cancel just going to the gym on your own. So that is why personal trainers are so great for getting you motivated and getting you started. You might continue exercising by yourself afterwards, but it's just to help you get started. So we do a benchmark test at week 1, week 4, week 8 and week 12 to see how you progress with your fitness. On the app, I also like to do body measurements at the beginning at week 4, week 8 and week 12 so you can see the improvements. I also ask you to do photos as well, which you might not want to do, but it is good even if you keep them personally on your phone so you can see how you've improved from week 1 all the way to week 12. So I've had some great feedback so far on this program. People are absolutely loving it, and I really enjoy working with my clients. My main thing is to help you, and I really, really want to see you achieve the goals that you have. I'm always happy as well to adjust the program if needed. So every month I will send you a feedback form to find out if the level is right for you, ask other questions about the workouts so you can give some feedback, and then if needs be, I can adjust the program to suit you. It's all about getting it right for you. You are my priority. If you need to, I do personal training sessions outside of the program, so if you want to do them online or in person, there are lots of options. I do have personal one-to-one training clients that aren't in the 12-week program, but I always feel a 12-week program is a great one to do to help you get to your goals. And then if you still want to continue after your 12 weeks is up, then that is an option as well. I will just level up the exercise intensities. I hope all this has been helpful for you, and I hope to see you inside the program.